We now support in thread milling multi-start threads. If we take a look at this particular part that we have on the screen, this particular stud that we have over here has threading on it that starts in more than one place. It starts in two places, over here and over here. So now in thread mill, we are able to support this. If I were to open up the operation and go to our technology page, we have the option called Advanced. Inside Advanced, we have multiple starts. In this particular case, my multiple starts are at 2. In other words, I have 2 starting points for my threads. If we take a look at our simulation, you'll see that the tool will first go down on one side, starting on that side, and then go down on the other side. And you can see now we have multiple threads for that particular stud.